Function points. What are function points? In this video, I'm going to discuss what are function points. The term is often used, and there's still confusion on what the term function points mean. Function points are a unit of measure, like an inch is to measuring distance, a degree is to measuring temperature, an hour is to measuring time, or a pound is to measuring weight. Inches, degrees, hours, and pounds are all units of measurement, just like function points is also a unit of measurement. Function points measures the amount of functionality in a software application. The larger the number of function points, the more functionality. Function points allows for scaling. It measures the size of requirements, and especially it measures the size of business requirements. The idea of function points is based upon the idea that all systems, manual or automated, have inputs, outputs, and storage. They all have inputs into a system. They all have outputs from a system. And they all have storage. Every system has multiple inputs, every system has multiple outputs, and every system has storage. It's all these inputs, all these outputs, and storage that represents the tapestry of software application. And in function points, what we do is we break all these down into pieces, and we come up with a function point count. And that's what this course is really about, how to do that. Now, a software application is nothing more than a series of interwoven elementary processes. And many of these elementary processes do not make sense until they are all woven together. All the elementary processes together make up the picture of, or the tapestry of, the software application. Even though tapestries and software applications are made by different people at different times, the technique to measure them or understand them is always the same. The tapestry of software. A software application is an interwoven, defined set of elementary processes. And elementary processes are woven together, becoming interdependent, forming what is called a software application. In function points, we look at data at rest. For example, a customer data file, a student enrollment data file, and we also look at data in motion, adding a customer, inquiring on an employee, printing a check. The tapestry are all the inputs, all the outputs, and all the storage. So in summary, function points is a unit of measure, measures the amount of functionality in a software application. Function points is a scaling measure. The more function points, the larger the software application or project.